Hello, how are you all doing? Today we'll be unboxing my African food. Yes, I have two cartons here. The carton is written fresh yam, but I have other items. The carton is just being used to package my items. I'll be opening it for us to see what is in each carton. I have two cartons with this packet of Motina, and of course we are going to be checking the prices so that we'll compare it with your area and let us know if the African food is more expensive in UAE. I want to know. Okay, let's go. Welcome back. I've already opened the first packet, the first carton. I got two cartons from an African shop here in the United Arab Emirates. The first carton, let's see what is inside. And I have my list of the items that are in there with their prices, but the prices are in local currency. That's the AED. We spend in dirham here in UAE. So I will be putting the price according to the items on this carton, because the carton is the items are mixed. So anyone I pick first, I will look at the price here and tell you. So the first one on the top is momo. Some area in Nigeria they call it a kanda. Generally in English language is a cow skin. And the cow skin, I got cow skin 5 packs. 5 packs of cow skin. There's 3. There's 3, 4. Also there's 5 in there. 4 and 5. This is cow skin, and here the 5 cost 50 dirham, which is each pack is 10 dirham. So this is cow skin, 50 dirham, 10 dirham each. I'm going to be putting the amount in dollars on the video. Then the second one I have here is I have ogi. Ogi is written ogi in my list. This one is ogi means this corn which is grounded. This is wet grounded corn, and this is the yellow one. They call this one yellow ogi or ogi, yellow ogi. So mixed with grounded with ginger. And this one, this ogi is the yellow one. This is 3 liters. Here is 3 liters. And this 3 liters cost 90 dirham. Meaning each dirham is 30. Each pack, this is 3 liters. Each liter is 30 dirham. 3 liters 90 dirham. And then I have another flavor, which is ogi baba. This one they call it ogi baba. This is a guinea corn, and this one is 2 liters. This 2 liters is 60 dirham. So this is 90 dirham. This is 60 dirham. 3 liters, 2 liters. Okay, this is for the ogi. I'm looking at it from my list here in the phone. Then the next one here on this carton is, how are you all doing? My face is not really showing. So just what one here is to show you the items. Here I have turkey. Turkey here is a quarter. I got a quarter carton. That's a full carton by 4, because actually I don't know why I don't really like this turkey, and my family also. Only my husband and one of my children that eat it well. Anything that comes with all this, I don't normally like it. This is it. This turkey, this is a quarter kilo. It's in here. This turkey wings, and this quarter kilo, a quarter of a carton. This mathematics say quarter of a carton here is a 50 dirham, meaning the full carton will be 200. So I'll be putting the price in dollars. So this one is turkey wings, quarter of a carton, 50 dirham. So this is the number 3 item. I'm checking it here. Then the next one here on this carton, here I have Titus fish. Titus fish is half of a carton I got here. Half of a carton. See? Oh, it's heavy. Ow! And let me just show you how the fish looks like. Oh, this is it. This is the Titus. They are all in these sizes, but the numbers now I can't count it. But this is just half a carton Titus fish, and this cost 150 dirham. The price, I'll put it in dollars, 150 dirham for half of a carton of Titus fish. So that's all in this carton. I'll put them back. This Titus fish, half kilo. This turkey wing, quarter of the carton. Then this one, the ogi baba, and the yellow corn. Then followed by the kanda. So this carton is gone. Whew. I have here in this second carton, but before the second carton, I love Motina a lot. So this is Motina. This one cost one pack of Motina. This is 65 dirham for a full pack. 65 dirham.